Yep,
There was a little delay in that, Randy.
Hey Vincent, are you driving the boat?
How about if we put a little left rudder on there, pal?
A little left.
Let's go 5 left.
Put 5 left on it. See how that works out. A little left.
Oh, not that much. No.
Left. Yeah, see? So you're still on 5 right, so we're going to come to 5 left. So bring the arrow to that point. There you go. Perfect. And you see?
Easy.
Okay, it's so easy. I'll see you guys later.
No, please stand. All right, now, since we're starting to come back up, go ahead and put
You
the
just
midship.
need to put out the numbers on
Back to
that.
0. Perfect.
So easy.
So easy.
You just need to put
Now let's put them in fire
the
gear.
numbers
Let's not put in the fire gear.
See, now we come off the boat a little bit, so go ahead and put 5 right to come back to it again. There you go. You got it.
What happened to the number 100?
100? We don't have 100. We only have up to 40, which is putting the rudder all the way over, which makes us go whoosh.
The captain will tell you about to come up there. I left my wallet at home. Smart kid. And then who said, here we go. You just have to give him one of your caps, and he goes like this. He takes his off. He looks like he's ready to cry.
That's the pilot house too. That light means that this pilot house has control of the boat. But when we go the other direction, I flip the switch and it goes green. That means Paul's got it on the other end.
It's like Captain Vincent.
Paul does the other end of the boat.
You gonna let the guy with the San Francisco hat steer?
No way. Captain doesn't like San Francisco. No, you can try.
Hey, Vincent, or Frank, toss that off to them.
Who's the hat, buddy? You want to drive?
You want to come on up?
Just give it to
He
Paul.
don't like
Good
San
job, man.
Francisco.
Good job.
Oh.
Way to go, Vincent.
You always get on my end.
Wait a minute. Better put it in rally style. Turn inside out.
They just learned about that today. All right, so we're coming off the boat. You think it's so easy? You think it's so easy? You do it, bud. Come on, bring that arrow around to 5 right. Right over there. Don't be afraid. Turn that thing. Right it over there.
Like the body English.
Yeah, nice. There you go. Good job. And now you see, we're bringing that stick all the way back to that big white boat again.
That is so cool. I can't believe that.
Real slow.
This is so cool.
Here, you want to call somebody that cares?
Call me.
213.
213.
Yeah, call the cabin, David will tell him you want them all out there swabbing the deck.
Swabbing the deck.
For some reason, I feel like
Alright, so we're getting close to the boat again.
Yeah.
Bring the arrow back to 0.
Hey, that's my title.
I feel like we're going so much faster up here.